Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to update WhatsApp application on your smartphone. Keeping WhatsApp updated ensures you get the latest features, security improvements, and bug fixes. And here is how you can update it on your Android or your iPhone. First of all, open up your Google Play Store for Androids and App Store for iOS devices. In the search box, type in WhatsApp. From the search results, tap on the WhatsApp Messenger app, and from this page, look if there is an update button available. If there is one, simply tap on Update. If you see Open instead of Update, you are already using the latest version. After you update the app will download and install automatically. Once done, tap on Open to launch WhatsApp. Now that the WhatsApp is updated, you are ready to enjoy the latest improvements and features. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.